Greetings everyone. The previous episode of SUS 360 Bytes explored sustainability at schools through the infrastructure lens. This one builds on it further by bringing the pedagogy into the conversation. We will explore how education should be leveraged appropriately as a key lever to build change makers of tomorrow in our classrooms. Let's get started. The classroom provides educators the best chance to shape the learning experience and takeaways for students. It provides a controlled environment in which students can pick up a diverse set of skills during their formative years. This has been acknowledged by the United Nations when they drafted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. One of the key elements of the 2030 Agenda is ESD, Education for Sustainable Development. While the ESD program has a direct connect with SDG 4, that is quality education, it is also considered a driver for the achievement of all 17 SDGs. At the same time, India's new national education policy has proposed a revamp of school curriculum to bring in a significant focus on 21st century skills. The rollout of NEP has begun and will be phased over the coming 10 years as captured in the implementation plan interestingly titled Sarthak, Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education. The emphasis on both students and teachers as being equal parties in this mission is noteworthy. Teaching the students of tomorrow in the new world will require teachers to explore newer facets in a very organic manner. The subject of sustainability and climate change education at schools is definitely one of the most appropriate ways to achieve this while educating the students about making informed, right choices. Educators need to be provided with adequate support to help impart the right balance of life, learning, and literacy skills in the classroom. They are key to ensure that sustainability is seamlessly integrated into their teaching, and for this, significant efforts have to be put on their upskilling and professional development. By including sustainability in the pedagogy, the key beneficiaries are the students. The school will provide an opportunity to understand and appreciate responsible behavior, socially, environmentally, culturally, etc. At the same time, the students' learning goes beyond literacy skills and will also involve learning and life skills, preparing them better for tomorrow's world. Now that's a wrap on SUS 360 Bytes for this episode. See you again in another week. Thank you.